you're getting the Epic Online Services error for Hell Let Loose, either the connection error when you launch the game, or you're getting a failed to load user data, please try again. We'll run through just a few fixes in just a few minutes. We'll start with the quickest fix first. Try launching the game after each one. Check the Epic server status first. Go to status.epicgames.com in any browser. Just make sure everything's online. If it shows an outage, nothing you do is going to help. You just have to wait. Make sure you update your Epic Games Launcher. Just go to search, type Epic, launch the Epic Games Launcher, let it finish updating, close it, then relaunch the game. Make sure you're signed into Epic inside the game. On the main menu, go up to the top right and click the helmet icon, and log in. This will link your Epic Games to your Steam account. If it's still not working, close the game and Steam completely. Go to the bottom right taskbar, right-click Steam, exit, or Epic Games, whatever you're on. Press Windows and R, type %localappdata% in the box, open up the HLL Vietnam folder, and rename the saved folder to SavedOld. Press Enter, and relaunch the game again, and the Epic linking prompt should appear. If it still didn't work, right-click Hell Let Loose Vietnam, Properties, Install Files, Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will replace any of the missing files, including the anti-cheat that's giving you trouble. Once it is complete, you can go up to Browse, open the Easy Anti-Cheat folder, and run easy anti-cheat _EOS_setup. This can repair the anti-cheat and fix that issue as well. If none of this worked, the block is on your Epic account itself. Most often, it's a link that got stuck when the Epic sign-in was skipped on the first launch, so you can report it to Team 17. I've left a link in the description on where you can get help.